hello, I'm back again. So today what I'm going to do is replant this tree here, the Monstera deliciosa, um, Galicia repens, and peperomia. So just want to shout out to my niece Sherry. She's also a plantita. This two came from her. She came. I had a family gathering last weekend, and she brought me this two plants. Thanks again, and I'm gonna replant them soon. I just wanna feature this other like two new plants that I have. The velvet plant, which is very common and native to Eastern Asia and Australia. And this plant, an inch plant, ice plant, was featured in my previous video. It was about like 2 months ago, and then you can see how full it is right now. And I really love this pink color right here. And this one right here is Hoya Crimson Pink. I just got them a few days ago, so I'm gonna leave them in the spot for the moment. I'm keeping this indoor for now. And so we're going to repot this. This deliciosa, Monstera deliciosa, is called deliciosa because, oh, by the way, it's also common in southern Mexico. And called deliciosa because of the breadfruit that it bears. It takes 10 months to be ripened, and apparently it's also like edible. So okay, Google like how it could eat, but just be very careful. It's kind of risky like how to eat it. There's Galicia repens. They're really like tiny, like how cute they were. You should have seen my reaction when my niece brought them here. She brought like 4 plants, and I have my other sister here, who's also like another plantita. So I grabbed this two right away. She grabbed those other Hoya plants, so because I have them already. So I said, oh, I got this, and I was like, okay, that's perfect. So I'm gonna replant them, and hopefully they thrive. I'm gonna try to really grow them and maybe like propagate them like in the future. So I'll show you later, like when they're in their pots. Alrighty, I'm gonna just scoop some soil, which I have them in the bottom. Okie. Okay, so I'm gonna replant this. I filled the pot like halfway, so I'm just going to loosen the soil up. It's overcrowding in that little pot, so it's time to transfer. Okay. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more soil so it's kind of like covered. Okay. Go. Loosen it up. Just a little bit more soil. So here we go. The next one to be transferred is the peperomia, which is native to South America. So you can see the red stem, like how attractive they are, and this cascading shape. Also, you see like it's like this, and it got the name watermelon peperomia. The similarity to the grind of the watermelon. See with this grape stripes. Okay, and see how the leaves are like growing, so it's really getting crowded here, so time to transplant. Okay, put space in there. Let me just take you off a little bit right here. Oh, be careful, do not fall. Ooh, don't die on me. There you go. Okay. Alright, we're done repotting these 3 plants. So I'm just gonna water them. It's sunny today, so the water would not be stuck in there. Alright, so just to point out, you see this leaf in here? It fell off in one of the stems. So here Maria is gonna experiment at just leaving it here and see if it grows too. So we'll update you next time, when it actually late grows back. Okay, so this is all for now, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy planting!